Welcome to our deep dive into two-step equations, a cornerstone of algebra. Let's start by understanding that these equations involve precisely two operations, crucial for solving them effectively. To solve the equation 3n, 6 equals 15, and determine the value of n, the initial step involves adding 6 to both sides to eliminate the subtraction, resulting in 3n equals 21. Next, we approach the multiplication by dividing both sides by 3, which simplifies the equation to n equals 7. The key is to reverse operations systematically. To solve the equation 5, x equals 17, we can add 5 to both sides to simplify it to x equals 12. Then, divide by 1 to find x equals 12. Now, let's see how these ideas work in a practical situation. Picture Lynn aiming to gather $900. She currently saves $45 each week and has $180 in her savings. How many additional weeks will she need to reach her goal? To solve the equation, we start with 180 plus 45 times w equals 900. By subtracting 180 from both sides, we get 45w equals 720. Next, we divide by 45, resulting in w being 16 weeks. Moving on to equations with variables on both sides, we begin by removing parentheses using the distributive property, followed by combining similar terms to streamline the equation. Consider the equation 3x plus 7 equals 5x. 1. Start by subtracting 3x from both sides to arrive at 7 equals 2x1. Then, add 1 to both sides to simplify this to 8 equals 2x. When we divide both sides by 2, we get x equals 4. These types of equations might seem complex at first, but can be simplified methodically. Let's tackle a real-world example. A personal trainer has a fee of $60 and charges an additional $25 for each session, while a new fitness club has an annual fee of $450 and charges $10 for each session. At what point do their charges equal each other? We start with the equation 60 plus 25 seconds equals 450 plus 10 seconds. By simplifying this through subtraction and solving for s, we discover that the costs match up at 26 sessions. Ultimately, learning to solve two-step equations and variables on both sides is vital. It not only helps you save money and manage expenses, but also enhances your ability to tackle both mathematical issues and everyday situations.